Hey guys, welcome back. So today we gonna talk about a new smartphone that is going to launch tomorrow at 12 noon in India. That is Xiaomi's Redmi 9 Power. And the variant we are talking about today is 128 GB. So let's start. But before, who are new to this channel, let me introduce myself. I'm Leo and you're watching Leo Infos. We provide you with the latest and in-depth review and detailed specifications of the gadgets so you can get a smart idea that you should buy the gadget or not. So let's start the video. Getting into the looks and appearance of the smartphone, we can see that the smartphone comes with water drop notch display with the volume up and volume down keys with a power button on below. The phone doesn't provide an extra button on the opposite side of the power button that may be for photo click or any other gestures. The chin of the smartphone is very less, that makes it very good looks, and aspect ratio to the screen ratio will be good. The bezel of the smartphone is very less, that makes it more attractive. The smartphones come with a different color variant that we will discuss afterwards. So talking about the back panel of the smartphone, we can see that the smartphone comes with triple rear camera setup. Yes, triple rear camera setup with a flashlight on below, and they have mentioned the specification of the cameras on the back side of the screen that we will also discuss afterwards. We can clearly see that the Redmi's logo on the back panel, and that makes it very attractive to look. So let's get to the specifications of the smartphone. The launch date of the smartphone is gonna be December 22, 2020. That's tomorrow, and the video is shoot on December 20th. The brand is Xiaomi, we all know that. The model number is Redmi 9 Power, 128 GB. Actually, the smartphone will be come in 64 GB variant and 128 GB, and we are talking about 128 GB variant. The operating system that the smartphone will be run on Android 10, that is Q. Maybe in the future they will upgrade it to Android 11. That's on your luck basis. The phone doesn't come with a stock Android. It comes with MIUI. That's the Xiaomi's trademark and their official custom ROM. The SIM slots they have provided with GSM plus GSM, that is dual SIM setup, and both of the SIMs will be nano. So network type, the both of the SIM slot will provide you with the 4G, 3G and 2G network type, and the 4G will support all Indian bands. The fingerprint sensor is also there, which is eligible to unlock your phone, and the quick charging support they have also provided. That is very beneficial when you have less time and you want to charge your phone. Talking about the design of the smartphone, the height of the smartphone and the dimensions will be 162.3 mm. The width is 77.3 mm. The thickness is 9.6 mm. The weight is 198 grams. That may be for the some users, that may be for it's very heavy. The colors variant, they have provided 4 different color variants. That might be mighty black, fairy red, electric green, basing blue. So according to your choices, you can select and buy your device. Waterproof, they also provided with waterproof secure feature, that is splash proof. So don't worry about your phone will be get damaged by the water. Talking about the display feature of the smartphone, the screen size of the smartphone is 6.53 inches. That is a big screen. You can watch your Netflix, your streaming services like Art Balaji and other streaming services on your smartphone. The screen resolution they have provided HD display screen, which is 1080 into 2340 pixels. So you can stream your HD content. Aspect ratio is 19.5:9. That we have already seen. The phone comes with bezel-less display with a water drop notch. The display type is IPS LCD display. Screen protection, they have provided version 3 of Gorilla Glass Corning. Touchscreen, they have provided with multi-touch capacitive touchscreen, and the screen to body ratio is 19.34%. Screen to body ratio is 83.25, that is calculated by the company itself. Talking about the performance of the chipset and the processor of the smartphone, that is Qualcomm Snapdragon 662, that is the fastest and provide you with a decent performance. Processor comes with octa-core that comprises of 2 GHz of clock speed with the quad-core Creo 260 plus 180 Hz of clock speed with the quad-core Creo 260. Talking about the architecture, it is based on 64-bit. Most of the smartphone nowadays comes with 64-bit of architecture. That is a cool thing. Graphics they have provided is Android 610, and the RAM they have provided is 4 GB. They should provide 6 GB of RAM with the 128 GB of storage, but this may be also good. We are talking about the storage of the smartphone. That is internal memory, we have already taught, that is 128 GB, and you can also expand your memory up to 512 GB with the micro memory card. You have to buy separately. Talking about the cameras of the smartphone, as we have already seen, the camera setup is quad core with that comprises with the 48 MP main camera with the aperture of f1.79, which is very cool thing. Wide angle primary camera, and 8 MP with the aperture of 2.2, that also is a wide angle with the ultra wide angle camera. 2 MP with the aperture of 2.4 and a minor other camera that may be for other functions. Talking about the sensors, it supports ISO Cell Plus sensor. Autofocus is also there, and the physical aperture, that is f1.79. The flashlight is also there, that we have already seen on the back panel of the smartphone in the image. And the image resolution, you can click your images up to the image resolution of 8000 into 6000 pixels. Settings they have provided with the cameras are exposure compensation with ISO control. Shooting modes you can get with the smartphone as continuous shooting with the high dynamic range mode, that is HDR mode. Camera features we can talk about, that are digital zoom with the auto flash feature, face detection and touch to focus features. Talking about the video recording with the rear cameras, that are supported up to the 1920 into 1080 at the rate of 30 frames per second. It means that you can capture your videos with a high resolution with this smartphone. Talking about the next, that are front camera of the smartphone, that is for selfie mode. Camera setup is single, that is on the water drop notch. Resolution of the front camera is 8 MP with the f2.0 primary camera aperture. Physical aperture is f2.0, that is also mentioned above. Video recording is 1920 into 1080 at the rate of 30 frames per second. So you don't have to worry about the selfie mode of the smartphone. You can click HD resolution selfies with this smartphone. Talking about the battery, that we have seen 128 GB variant. It requires a high battery capacity to run it for longer period of time, so that the company provided the smartphone with 6000 milliampere battery with the Li polymer. That is the highest quality of batteries. Li polymer, I refers you Li polymer battery on the Li-ion batteries because they are better in quality. User is replaceable. No, thus battery is not user replaceable. Talking about the talk time and the battery backup, on the 4G signals you can use the smartphone up to 48 hours. Standby time is 695 hours on 2G. Now 2G is no one is using, so it may be for lower for the 4G signals. Quick charging support is there with they provided you with the power adapter of 18-watt charging, and the power slot is USB Type C. That is a plus point. You should buy this smartphone based on its battery and cameras and display also. The processor is also very nice. You can definitely buy this gadget. We can talk about its network and connectivity in details, that are SIM size. SIM 1 is nano and SIM 2 also nano supported. Network type 4G, 3G and 2G, and 4G supports all Indian bands. It is VoLTE supported, voice over LTE. SIM 1 is 4G and you can check it in detail. SIM 2 is 4G bands and you can check also those details here. Wi-Fi is Wi-Fi 802.11 and other with the 5 GHz of power. Wi-Fi features are Wi-Fi detect and mobile hotspot is also provided with this smartphone chips. Wi-Fi calling is also enabled and Bluetooth is version 5.0. You can transfer your files with a little bit more speed in this smartphone. GPS is also provided with AGPS technology with GLONASS. USB connectivity supported mass storage device and USB charging. These are the connectivity and network details. Talking about the other multimedia functions, loudspeaker is also there in this smartphone and audio jack is supported 3.5 mm. You can get your headphones for the 3.5 mm audio jack. Special features are also there, that are fingerprint sensor that we have seen in the back panel of the smartphone, and the fingerprint sensor position is side, that are opposite of I think volume down button or on the power button. I'm reviewing this smartphone before its launch, so actual position we can see after the launch. That I may provide you with the comment down below, that where is the actual position of the fingerprint sensor. Other sensors supported in these smartphones are light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer and compass, that are a good features. So overall the price of the smartphone is 11,999. It may be little high or little low, but near about in this figure. The phone is gonna launch next day today, so it may be depends. Talking about its all the features, you can buy this smartphone for its connectivity. It supports all Indian bands with 4G and the battery is 6000 mAh, which is a big battery. You can easily use this smartphone a full day. And talking about the front camera, it provides you with 8 MP camera. It may be 16 MP camera, but 8 MP is also sufficient in at this range. That provides you high definition of selfies and recording. Main camera is 48 MP. You can buy this camera for high resolution camera recording that comprises of quad camera setup, and storage is 128 GB. That is also very good at this price range. 128 GB you can files your store your large files here. Performance wise the phone is also good. 662 chipset is very powerful chipset. You can play your all the games and all the other functions, video recording, video comprising, video editing over here. Talking about the display, I will also recommend because it's coming with the Gorilla Glass version 3 and the screen size is very big, that is 6 inches and 53. And talking about its design, the design is also very good. It comes with the 4 different color, so you can choose your favorite color from them. And general feature is come with Android 10, which is latest at this moment and it is latest at the market. You can definitely, according to my opinion, you can definitely buy this smartphone. So this is all. Till then, we will meet you in the next video.